Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. I am so happy that you are here. Today we are going to be doing the Kundalini Kriya for vitality. All right, coming to a comfortable seat, we begin our Kundalini Yoga with the Adi mantra, Om Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the divine wisdom within. Kundalini Yoga is a devotional practice to yourself, to your body, to your energy, and to your spirit. Bringing hands into heart center, taking a nice deep breath in, lengthen through the spine, exhale all the breath out. Inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Relaxing your hands down, keeping your awareness within, keeping the focus and attention on you. All right, we're going to get right into it. So we're going to begin on our backs, coming all the way down onto your back, lifting your legs almost to 90 degrees, between 90 and 45 degrees, and we're going to begin leg scissors. Being mindful of your breath here, keeping your breath steady. All right, bring your legs into 90 degrees, point your toes. Tap into your strength, to your vitality. Maybe you're feeling a little shaky. And then drop your knees into your chest. Give them a squeeze, maybe even a little wiggle and a shake here. All right, we're gonna come into bicycle curls. So taking your hands, bring your fingertips just behind your ears, elbows out wide. We're gonna twist to the left as we extend our right leg, bring our right elbow to the left knee, and then reverse. Almost there. Just a few more. And come through center. Hug the knees in. Let the breath settle. Keep the focus within. Grabbing hold of the backs of your thighs. We're going to rock and roll our way up to seated. Finding a comfortable seat. Take your hands out in front. Flip your palms out and bring your hands up overhead. Closing down your eyes, focusing on your third eye. And here we begin. Breath of fire. It's a panting breath through the nose, pumping your belly. Breath of fire, here we go. Take a nice deep breath in, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your core, channel that energy all the way up. Into the crown of the head, into the hands, stretch, reach. Exhale, release your hands, cross them behind your back. And settle into your breath here, long, deep breathing. All right, you're going to inhale and you're going to exhale. And at the end of your exhale, you're going to squeeze Mula Bandha. So squeezing your glutes, pulling the base of you up, bringing in that seal that helps us to elevate the energy from Muladhara, bringing it up. Elevating into those higher centers of love, joy, peace, prosperity. All right, finish off your rotation and slowly melt your hands down to your knees. Index finger under thumb. We'll take Gyan Mudra. Taking a moment here to let all the energy settle around you. And we're going to come into a mantra for emotional balance. It helps to open your heart and to feel supported in the flow of life. So the words are Sat Narayan Wahe Guru Hari Narayan Satnam. Take a nice deep breath in to begin. Sat Narayan Wahe Guru Hari Narayan Satnam. 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 Closing down your eyes. Connecting with the reverberation of the mantra in your subtle energy. We'll close our practice with the mantra Satnam, truth is my essence. Bringing hands into Anjali Mudra. Take a nice deep breath in. Satnam. Satnam, beautiful being of light, of love. Thank you so much for joining me for your practice today. If it's your first time here, I would invite you to subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment on this video and let me know how you got on. If you are looking to further your yoga practice and are looking for support, I have many beautiful offerings for you in the description below. All right, have a fantastic day, my friend. Take sweet care. Bye.